Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book. Spring Start Here. Learn what you need and learn it well. Written by Laurenţiu Spilcă.
Spring is a top framework in the Java ecosystem, known for simplifying application development. It's favored by Java and Kotlin developers and is widely used across various domains, consistently ranking high in industry surveys. The book explores Spring's core concepts with Java examples, focusing on database connectivity, communication, security, and testing. It defines frameworks, particularly Spring, and their benefits, examines the Spring ecosystem, and applies it in real-world scenarios, also discussing when frameworks might not be ideal. Frameworks are toolkits for software development, providing components to standardize repetitive tasks like logging, data handling, security, and communication, separate from an application's unique business logic. Frameworks like Spring can significantly reduce code and bugs, as seen in a legacy Java system modernization that achieved a 40% code reduction. Spring is an ecosystem of frameworks that work together, including Spring Core, manages app instances and configurations using inversion of control, IOC. Spring MVC, handles HTTP requests for web applications. Spring Data Access, connects to SQL databases and manages data persistence. Spring Testing, provides tools for testing Spring applications. The ecosystem also features Spring Data, Spring Security, Spring Cloud, Spring Batch, and Spring Boot, with a focus on Spring Boot for beginners due to its simplified configuration. Spring Data enhances database connectivity, while Spring Boot offers sensible defaults. Alternatives to Spring include Jakarta EE, Google Juice, Apache Shiro, Play Framework, and Quarkus, which should be considered based on project needs. Spring's versatility extends beyond back-end web applications to automation testing, desktop, and mobile app development. It provides a robust toolkit for back-end services, simplifies automation testing, contributes to desktop app development, and supports mobile app development with Spring for Android. Frameworks aren't always suitable, especially when they might be excessive, like using a chainsaw to slice bread. Avoid them when the application needs to be extremely lightweight. Security concerns require custom code. Extensive customization outweighs framework benefits. An existing application works well without one. In containerized environments, small applications are preferred. For high security needs, custom development may be better than open source frameworks. If a framework demands too much customization, it can be a hindrance. Integrate a framework into a functioning application only if there are clear benefits. This book is designed for Java software developers interested in learning Spring. It aims to teach the foundations of the Spring ecosystem, assuming no prior knowledge of frameworks or Spring itself. By the end of the book, readers will learn to use the Spring context, implement aspects, connect to databases, exchange data using REST APIs, build apps with convention over configuration, apply best practices in class design, and properly test Spring implementations.
Get this book at Manning.com